So we are checking hamstring range of motion. Okay, please go ahead. Relax. Now come. Now we'll check again after treatment. His left leg is shorter than right leg. We are going to correct it. As you can see, our diagnosis is right AS ilium. So this is right AS ilium. Correction. Inhale and exhale. Okay, relax. Equal. Okay. So as you can see, he is touching his big toes. Absolutely normal. Are you in pain?
It's much better than.
Much better?
Yes, much
Good.
better.
Wonderful.